Find or read reviews that people are talking about Lenovo Legion Go, 8.8-inch, 144Hz WQXGA Handheld Touchscreen Gaming PC. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. With the Lenovo Legion Go, mobile gaming reaches extraordinary heights. Our exceptional 8.8-inch, 2560 x 1600 Lenovo PureSight gaming display engulfs you in immersive visuals. You can dynamically tailor visual precision from 1600p to 800p. Or adjust the refresh rate between a speedy 144 Hz and an energy-saving 60 Hz. All this comes to life on a responsive 10-point touchscreen. Game your way, anyway. Experience unrivaled versatility with Legion Go, the ultimate flexible gaming tool. Go handheld for on-the-go gaming. Or, connect your Legion Go to your favorite monitor and settle in with ergonomically crafted controllers for a relaxing yet immersive gaming session. FPS mode, paired with the included controller base, offers tailored precision, with the left side as WASD keys and the right side as a vertical mouse for enhanced aiming. Explore new realities with Legion Glasses compatibility, enabling you to game in the most comfortable way possible. Legion Go caters to every gaming need, offering unmatched flexibility for your gaming pursuits. Master every move. Legion Go's Hall effect joysticks are RGB-lit trailblazers, leaving traditional joysticks behind. Say goodbye to joystick drift and hello to enduring, responsive control. Our detachable Legion True Strike controllers are designed for comfort and precision, with features like anti-slip texture, mappable controls, and an integrated trackpad. Transition smoothly from PC to handheld gaming, and for FPS enthusiasts, enjoy precise control with our unique FPS mode and included controller base. Thanks to our ergonomic design, game longer without discomfort. With Legion Go, play like a pro. Enter the Gamerverse. Legion Space empowers the relentless gam. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. Video introduce the latest products channel. Hope this video satisfied for you. Make sure to press like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.